Hello and welcome back to the Daily Transmission. Today we're going to be showing you how to get glue and other residues off of carpet lining. So the glue that comes out of these high temperature adhesive cans is solvent based, which means to remove it you're going to need to apply another solvent, and it's best to do it over a bit of time. You don't want to sort of spray some solvent on there and start scrubbing. You want to spray the solvent on, let it absorb into the substance, be it the glue that's actually on the carpet lining, let it absorb that, soften up, and then using either a soft microfiber towel or even a carpet offcut, if you don't have any microfiber towels, you're literally just going to wick the glue off, and that's it. So the solvent-based cleaners you can use are panel wipe, which you can get at Motor Factors, brake cleaner, which is what we have in this bottle. Again, you can buy it from either Halfords or Motor Factors, or even a white spirit that you can get from any local hardware store. In this instance, we've got the brake cleaner, like I said, and we're literally just going to spray the area quite liberally. And most of that will evaporate off very quickly, but the rest of it will absorb itself into the glue. And I've got quite a thick patch here. I didn't make this glue mark by accident, I actually did it on purpose and I sprayed it. So although we sprayed the whole area, the glue has now been soaked in. We're actually going to still continue to work in smaller areas. If you rub really hard, what you'll see is the carpet start to gather and bobble, which is not what you want. You're trying to maintain the nice finish that you've just created on your carpet lined van or the piece of furniture that you may have just carpet lined. So yeah, like I say, I'm just very lightly rubbing, and you can see just down here it's all sort of falling off. So that area is now, well, we've taken a little time. I took a little time to actually work at all the areas, and it's still a little bit damp, but working slowly and making sure all the glue falls off and turns into sort of the bobbles there, it'll all come off without affecting any of the carpet. So again, use a solvent-based liquid, use a nice soft microfiber towel or a piece of existing carpet, keep working at it nice and slow, working in small areas at a time, and before you know it, you'll have all the glue removed. Thanks very much. Thank you very much for watching this episode of the Daily Transmission. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. If you'd like to check out the playlist for this series or any other, please head down to the description where you will find a link. If you'd like to support Combe Valley Campers, head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk, where you will find links to our web store and our Patreon page. Please follow us in between episodes at our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks very much. Bye bye.